Imagine waking up every day knowing exactly what to do to transform your financial situation. That anxiety of checking your bank account and seeing red numbers can turn into a constant satisfaction with a positive and growing balance. And the best part, it's simple and accessible. Do this every morning and start seeing the result directly in your bank account. So, watch this video until the end and discover the secret to transforming your financial life. Let's get started. If you take a closer look around, you'll notice a great deal of wealth everywhere. From the abundant and lively nature to the countless personal and professional growth opportunities that arise all the time. If, for some reason, you can't feel this abundance or see it in your life, it might be because deep down you believe you don't deserve so much wealth. Jesus, considered by many as the greatest leader in human history, left us a grand and very inspiring message about how to live a life of true abundance, lasting wealth, and personal success. No matter your religion, or even if you don't consider yourself a religious person, these words are for you to incorporate into your daily life and transform your reality in a concrete and positive way. Scientists, philosophers, inventors, explorers, and other truly successful people who have practiced this universal law throughout history have enjoyed a life of realized dreams, complete freedom, and continuous prosperity, going beyond even their wildest expectations. Like magic, people who apply the concepts I'm about to reveal have made and continue to make extraordinary and miraculous things happen in their lives. Your productivity will naturally and consistently increase as you start working towards your goal with determination, focus, and passion. Are you really ready to create wealth and transform your reality? If so, let's embark on this journey of discoveries and achievements together. If you want to be abundant externally, you first need to feel rich inside. As above, so below. As within, so without. This ancient wisdom reflects the reality of life. First, you need to become rich in your thoughts, and then you will become rich in the external expression of those thoughts. You need to adopt an attitude of wealth and cultivate a rich and abundant mindset about who you are and what you can achieve, regardless of your current circumstances. When you have this mindset deeply rooted within you, you will naturally, fluidly, and almost inevitably begin to manifest abundance around you. Within the Bible, or what many call the sacred scriptures, there is a revealing and powerful message that has the power to transform lives. Over the centuries, many who have read it have been perplexed, confused, or unable to fully grasp its essence. This message is found in the Gospel of Matthew chapter 13, verse 12, which states, "For whoever has, more will be given, and they will have an abundance. But whoever does not have, even what they have will be taken from them." At first glance, this may seem unfair, as it appears to say that the rich will get richer and the poor will get poorer, perpetuating a cruel inequality. But there is a riddle to solve in this passage, a deep mystery to unravel, and when you fully understand it, a new world of infinite possibilities will open up before you, full of opportunities and wealth. The answer to the mystery that has eluded so many people over the centuries is a hidden word: gratitude. It's as simple as it sounds, but of unparalleled depth. Gratitude. Look again at the message and you'll understand perfectly. For whoever has gratitude, more will be given, and they will have an abundance. But whoever does not have gratitude, even what they have will be taken from them. By revealing this hidden word, a critical and enigmatic text becomes as clear as crystal. Over 2,000 years have passed since these words were written, but today they are as true and impactful as ever. If you don't care about being grateful, you will never have more, and what you have will inevitably be lost. The promise of prosperity that comes with the practice of gratitude is expressed finally in these few words. If you are grateful, you will receive more and have abundance beyond what you could imagine. In the Quran, the promise of gratitude is also emphatically emphasized. And remember when God proclaimed, "If you are grateful, I will give you more. But if you are ungrateful, my punishment will be severe." No matter your religion or whether you are a religious person or not, these words from the sacred scriptures and the Quran are directed at you for you to apply in your daily life. They describe a fundamental law of science and the universe, a universal truth that transcends beliefs, cultures, and traditions. Gratitude acts through a universal law that governs all aspects of our lives, according to the law of attraction, which governs all the energy of the universe, from the foundation of an atom to the movement of planets in their orbits. Like attracts like. By the law of attraction, the cells of all living beings remain united, just as the substance of all material objects in your daily life does. This law acts through your thoughts and feelings, as they too are forms of energy. Therefore, you attract everything you think and feel according to the frequency you emit. If you repeatedly think about problems, you will attract more similar experiences. But if you think about things you can be grateful for and sincerely feel gratitude, the law of attraction says you will attract more of those things into your life, creating a virtuous cycle. It works just like when metal is attracted to a magnet. Gratitude is magnetic. The more gratitude you feel, the more abundance you magnetize. It is the universal law that governs the energy of life. You've probably heard popular sayings like, "What goes around comes around," "You reap what you sow," and "You get what you give." Well, all these sayings refer to the same universal law and also describe a principle of the universe discovered by the great scientist Isaac Newton. Among Newton's scientific discoveries are the fundamental laws of motion in the universe, one of which states that for every action, there is always an equal and opposite reaction. When we apply the idea of gratitude to this law, it's like saying that every act of giving thanks always triggers the opposite reaction of receiving, and what you receive will always be proportional to the amount of gratitude you have given. This means that the very act of gratitude triggers the reaction of receiving, and the more sincere and deep your gratitude is, the more you will receive in return. Human history is full of famous people who practiced gratitude in their lives and whose achievements have placed them among the greatest human beings who ever lived. Jesus, for example, said "thank you" before performing each miracle as an expression of faith and gratitude. The man considered the Son of God gave thanks at every moment, showing the power of gratitude in action. Albert Einstein's scientific discoveries changed our view of the universe, and when asked about his great achievements, he always highlighted the importance of thanking the people who helped him on his journey. One of the most brilliant minds of all time, Einstein thanked others more than 100 times a day for the work he had done, recognizing the value of others' contributions. Similarly, the great Mother Teresa, Martin Luther King Jr., Leonardo da Vinci, Plato, Shakespeare, Milton, and many others applied gratitude in their lives consistently. It's not just about religion, but about what many successful people have applied and shown us is possible to have what you want, and even receive much more than you ever imagined. Gratitude is not limited to the word you say when someone does something for you, like opening the door of a restaurant or giving you a gift. Living in gratitude means thanking for everything that will come into your life, for everything you desire, for everything you imagine and dream of achieving. When you do this, the results will manifest in your life in the form of abundance and prosperity. No matter who you are, where you are, or what your current circumstances are, gratitude has the power to change your entire life. Gratitude can magically transform your relationships, no matter what state they are in, bringing harmony and love. Gratitude can miraculously make you more prosperous, so you have the money you need to fulfill your dreams and projects. Gratitude will increase your health, providing well-being and vitality, and will bring a level of happiness that transcends anything you've ever felt before, elevating your life to a new level. Gratitude exerts its power to accelerate your career, implement your success, and provide the job of your dreams or any other goal you wish to achieve. In fact, whatever you want to be, do, or have, gratitude is the way to achieve it. The magical power of gratitude can transform your life into gold, generating material and spiritual riches. When you practice gratitude consistently, you will understand why certain things may have gone wrong in your life and why others may be missing. When you make gratitude your way of life, you will wake up every morning excited to be alive and find yourself completely in love with life, feeling a joy you have never experienced before. Everything will seem easy, you will feel as light as a feather, and you will be happier than ever. Even if difficulties arise, you will know how to overcome them with wisdom and learn from them, turning challenges into growth opportunities. If you practice a little gratitude, your life will change a little. If you practice a lot of gratitude every day, your life will change spectacularly and in ways you could never imagine, opening doors to the unexpected. I believe that one of the most important keys we need to recognize in life is that almost all the limitations we have are self-imposed, created by ourselves. Recognizing this is the greatest revelation one can have. I'm talking about freeing yourself from the prisons that exist in your life, escaping mental prisons, breaking down the walls of self-imposed impossibilities, and allowing gratitude to open new paths. It's truly amazing what happens when you analyze what is holding you back. Most of the time, almost always, it's you and your lack of gratitude for life that create these barriers. It's you. The power is within you, ready to be activated by gratitude. If you've made it this far, it shows how committed you are to your personal and spiritual growth. So, let me know that you watched the entire video and understood the message. Comment like this: "I am a rich and prosperous person." When I see this comment, I'll know that you are already more than a winner, someone who is destined for success. From the moment you put these strategies into practice in your life, you will see your reality begin to change, and your success will manifest in ways you never imagined. If this video made sense to you and you found the content interesting and inspiring, please leave your like to support us and share it with a friend who can also benefit from this valuable information. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, take the opportunity to subscribe now so you don't miss any updates of the new content. Your participation is very important to us. See you in the next video. Take care.